Hey, this is Dave Campbell with another Dave Campbell short. And back when I first started filming with Chris, I pledged to get in shape. Well, like I said in my video yesterday, I'm about a porterhouse steak away from 300 pounds, and that's absolutely the wrong direction. So I'm working out. I had shoulder surgery. That's not an excuse. But I just wanted to show you that I'm trying. I'm doing cardio too, so hopefully we won't knock the phone over. I'm like, see what I'm doing here. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 5. Just in case it wasn't familiar counting, that's a military 4 count, and the benefit of a military 4 count is psychological. If you do 5 reps, 5 counts, you do 10 actual reps. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.